Hi children, today we will discuss about integers. Integers include 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. 0 is at the center, positive numbers are to the right of the 0 and negative numbers to the left of the 0. All the positive numbers are bigger than 0 and all the negative numbers are less than 0. The value of the positive numbers increases when moves to the right. Value of negative numbers decreases when moves to the left. We know 1 is less than 2. But minus 1 is greater than minus 2. 10 is less than 20. But minus 10 is greater than minus 20. Now we will see how to add using this number line. Suppose we need to add 2 and 3. Here it is 2. We need to move 3 places to the right to add. When we are adding, we need to move to the right. We got 5. That is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now we'll see how to add a negative numbers and a positive numbers using number line. Here it is minus 2. We need to move 3 places to the right because it is addition. 1, 2 and 3. We got 1. Minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1. Now you see how to add two negative numbers. How to subtract two negative numbers. Here it is subtraction. When subtraction comes, we need to move to the left. Here minus 2, we need to move 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We got minus 6. That is minus 2 and minus 6 is minus 4. What is minus 2 minus 1? It is from minus 2 we need to move 1 places to the left. That is here. We got minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is minus 3. Now we will see how to add integers without number line. 2 plus 4. Both are positive. If you are not writing the positive sign, it is positive by default. When the both numbers are positive, just add and keep the same sign. These both are positive, so 6 also positive. Here minus 2 plus minus 4. Here both are negative. Then add, then keep the same sign. If both the numbers are with same sign, just add and keep the same sign. If one number is positive and other number is negative, should subtract. That is 4 minus 2 is 2. Then keep the big number sign. Here 4 is having biggest absolute value, so it will be plus 2. Here one positive and one negative, so subtract. Then keep the bigger number sign. 4 is negative, so 2 is negative. We will see how it is. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. We know if both are positive, just add, then keep the same sign. These two are positive, here also positive. If both are negative, add, then keep the same sign. If one number is positive and other number is negative, subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5 and keep the big number sign, that is negative. If one is positive and other is negative, subtract and keep the bigger number sign, that is positive. Now we will see more example. Here 6 is positive, 4 is negative. So we need to subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2 and big number sign is positive. So 2 will be positive. Here both numbers are positive, so we just need to add and keep the same sign. Here both numbers are negative, so you should add and keep the same sign. Here 8 is negative and 4 is positive, so subtract, then keep the big number sign, that is negative. Now we will see how to add if there is more than 2 integers. Here -2 plus 3 minus 4. If there is more than 2 integers, add the numbers having same sign together. That is -4 and -2. Add it together. So -4 and -2 both are negative. So you should add. You will get 6 and -6 because both are negative. Then add and keep the same sign. Then comes the other number 3. Now one is positive and other is negative. So you should subtract 3. 6 minus 3 is 3 and keep bigger number sign, that is negative. Here 5 is negative and 10 and 4 are positive. So add the numbers having same sign together, that is 10 and 4. Add the 10 and 4, that is 14, and it is positive because these both are positive. Then add the rest, that is -5. Now one is positive and other is negative. Now subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9 and keep the bigger number sign, that is positive. Here 5 and 1 are positive and 3 is negative. So add the numbers having same sign, that is 5 and 1, 6. 6 will be positive because both are positive. Then add -3 with it. Now 6 is positive and 3 is negative, so subtract. It will be 3 and it will be positive 3 because bigger number is positive. Now -2 and -3 are negative and 5 is positive. So add -2 and -3, you will get 5 minus 5 because both are negative. Add it together and keep the same sign. 2 plus 3 is 5 and sign is negative, and plus 5. -5 and 5 is 0. Here all the numbers are negative. So you just add all together. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So it will be 9 minus 9. If all are negative, just add and keep the same sign. Here all are positive, so just add and keep the same sign. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 6 is 13. Positive 13 because all are positive means answer also positive. Here 10 and 2 are negative and 8 is positive. So add 10 and 2 together because both are negative. So 10 plus 2 is 12 minus 12 because both are negative means you should add and keep the same sign. Then add 8 with it. Now one is positive and another is negative. So subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4 and keep the bigger number sign, that is negative. Now we will see how to add if there is more than 3 integers. Here 2 and 3 are negative and 4 and 5 are positive. Add the negative numbers together. I am just grouping -2 plus -3. Then add the positive numbers together. 4 plus 5. -2 plus -3 is -5. 4 plus 9 is 4 plus 5 is 9. So now one is positive and one is negative. So subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. It is positive because bigger number is positive. Here add negative numbers together. That is -3 and -7 is -10. Add the positive numbers together. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now 1 is positive and another is negative. So subtract. 11 minus 10 is 1. It is positive because 11 is positive. 9 and 8 are negative. So add it together. Minus 9 plus minus 8 is minus 17. 4 plus 3. Add the positive numbers together. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 17 is negative and 7 is positive, so subtract. 17 minus 7 is 10. It is negative because 17 is negative. Add the positive numbers together, 12 and 4. 12 and 4 is 16. Then add the negative numbers together. 8 plus 4, 18. 8 plus 6 is minus 4. Minus 8 plus minus 6 is minus 14. So now subtract. 1 is positive and negative. So 16 minus 14 is 2. It is positive 2. 3 and 4 are positive. So add it together. 3 plus 4 is 7. Minus 5 and minus 2 is negative. So add it together. It will be minus 7. So 7 plus minus 7 is positive, 0. Here 20 and 40 are positive. So add it together, 20 plus 40. Then minus 30 and minus 5 are negative. So add 20 plus 40, that is 60. Add minus 30 and minus 5. That will be minus 35. Now subtract. 60 minus 35 is 25. It is 25, positive 25 because 60 is positive. Add minus 4 and minus 11 together. It will be minus 25. Then add 20 and 1 together. Add the positive numbers together, that is 20 plus 1 is 21. Now 1 is positive and 1 is negative, so subtract. It will be 25 minus 21, it will be 4. It is minus 4 because 25 is minus. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.